Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Picture description for beginners. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. White clouds are floating around the sun. The weather looks very warm and pleasant. A green palm tree is growing on the sandy beach. Two children are sitting near the palm tree. They are building a big sandcastle together. The boy is holding a blue bucket full of sand. The girl is using a small blue spade. They both look very happy and excited. A colorful umbrella is planted in the sand. Under the umbrella, a girl is lying on a beach chair. She is wearing sunglasses. She is also wearing a yellow swimsuit. She looks very relaxed and comfortable. Next to her is a small table. On the table, there is a green drink with a cherry on top. Farther to the right, a boy is floating on an orange swim ring. He is enjoying the cool water of the sea. He looks cheerful and is waving his hand. Behind him are blue mountains. The sky above is clear with only a few clouds. Two birds are flying happily in the sky. One bird is bigger and bright yellow. The other bird is smaller and brown. Both birds look very joyful. Near the rocks on the right, another girl is standing. She is wearing a large red hat with a flower on it. She is also wearing black sunglasses. She has a bag in her hand. The bag is filled with fruits and a drink. The girl looks very stylish and cheerful. The bag is filled with fruits and a drink. A little closer to the sea, a boy is making another sandcastle. He is using a small green shovel. His sandcastle is smaller but neat. He is wearing colorful beach shorts. There are some green plants near the rocks. The sand is golden and clean. The sea water is light blue near the shore. The water gets darker as it moves farther. Waves are gently hitting the beach. There is an airplane flying high in the sky. A white line follows behind the airplane. Some small clouds are scattered in the blue sky. The children are having a wonderful time. It looks like a fun summer day. The palm tree leans slightly towards the beach. The umbrella has red, yellow, and blue sections. The beach chair is made of brown wood. The table is also brown and matches the chair. The girl on the chair has blonde hair tied in pigtails. The boy with the bag has short blonde hair. The boy building the second sandcastle has brown hair. The girl building the first sandcastle has brown hair too. The boy with the orange ring has short brown hair. Everyone seems to be wearing beach clothes. No one is wearing shoes. Their feet are bare on the soft sand. The sun looks huge and friendly. The beach looks very clean and beautiful. The rocks on the right are dark gray. The plants near the rocks are lush green. The beach is wide and open. There are no boats in the sea. Only the airplane is seen flying. The palm tree has many green leaves. There is no litter or trash on the beach. It looks like a perfect place for a vacation. The scene is full of life and energy. The children are enjoying the simple joys of summer. It is a happy and peaceful beach day. Questions and answers practice. What is the weather like in the picture?
The weather is sunny and pleasant.
How many children are building sandcastles?
Three children are building sandcastles.
What is the girl under the umbrella doing?
She is relaxing on a beach chair.
What is the color of the umbrella?
The umbrella is red, yellow, and blue.
What are the birds doing?
The birds are flying happily in the sky.
What is the boy in the water using to float?
He is using an orange swim ring.
What is inside the boy's bag near the rocks?
His bag has fruits and a drink.
Are there any boats in the water?
No, there are no boats in the water.
What color are the rocks on the right side?
Rocks are dark grey.
What is flying high in the sky besides the birds?
An airplane is flying high in the sky.
Subscribe to the channel for more videos.